Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to find duplicates in Microsoft Excel. So let's begin the video. Begin by opening your Excel worksheet containing the data where you want to find duplicates. Click on the column where you suspect duplicates might exist. Navigate to the Data tab. In the Data tab, you will find the Remove Duplicates button. Click on it to open the Remove Duplicates dialog box. In the dialog box, you can choose which columns to check for duplicates. Ensure the relevant column is selected. Click OK in the dialog box to find and remove duplicates. Excel will keep one instance of each duplicate and remove the rest. That's for today. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.